This is so pretty. That's pretty cool. I like this one.
You can help increase the effectiveness of the Harry Reid International Baggage that is not
31,000? Damn. What kind of base is that? There's that spear thing that's not down here. Guess this is like information about the airport here and the aviation. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Whoa. That's fucking cool. Look how all the mail used to look back there. Sick.
the effectiveness of the Harry Reid International Airport Security Program by following these practices. Do not accept items from persons you do not know. Do not look after baggage that is not your own.
Guessing that guy.
If you
That
see
guy.
any unusual activities or unattended baggage, report it immediately using any white courtesy telephone within the airport terminal.
Whoa. How cool is that? Look, you guys, there's the cake boss. Who wants to eat some cake? I know I do. I wonder if they're fresh. You guys, I was obsessed with this show. I pretty much watched everything. I want to try it. I'm just waiting for Richard. He's coming from Oakland today, so... The fact that Las Vegas has poker machines is freaking cool. Hey guys, so I'm just waiting for Richard. He is coming from Oakland, California, so I'm super excited to see him again. He left yesterday, so he only did like a quick trip for work. So now I'm just sitting and waiting. The Las Vegas airport is so freaking cool. They have like poker machines, like have a look. So freaking cool. See, they got like the pokies right there. It's freaking cool. I love the airport of Vegas. Hey guys, we are heading off to the Uncommons. We're gonna go check that place out. Then we're just gonna drive around the area and just kind of scope it and stuff, and then come home, watch Harry Potter with some popcorn, eat some yummy food. It is a cloudy day today. It is windy as well, so it's a little annoying, but that's okay. Sometimes I enjoy weather like this. But let's go on the freeway. So you guys, they're saying that Las Vegas is probably the worst to come and vacation pretty much this whole year. Like this month, next month, November, December, worst times to come here to Las Vegas due to all the construction. The F1 is coming, so obviously it's gonna look really, really bad. As you guys can see, this is a whole what is it, bridge that they took off due to the F1. Look at that. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is crazy. Just the traffic itself alone is crazy coming back. So we always take back ways when we come back, especially from that area, like Blue Diamond area and stuff. So yeah, we're just passing the Allegiant. You guys, that's the new Durango Casino Resort that's happening over here. It is massive and it looks pretty cool. It's gonna be really cool to see, so I can't wait to go and check that out and show you guys. But they are hiring so many people right now, it's crazy. Alright guys, we are here. Ooh. Yeah, totally. Oh, we gotta go. That's cool. There's like a hair place. Oh, there we go. Leasing. This is the one Summer was telling me about. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What is this place? That looks yummy. Speak Easy Candle. And then that's the leasing office of the Uncommons. That's pretty cool. I think this place is huge. I'm guessing those are apartments over there.
Probably the other apartments. There's like a courtyard space in the middle. Whereas that's where they do the markets.
Oh look, Mercadito. How cool is that?
Yeah, see, they have little things like this. It's supposed to be like your own corner store.
Oh look, they got empanadas. That is so cool.
They have like trailers and just like little snacks and stuff.
See, that's what we need downtown. Something like that. That is so cool. Yeah.
I follow them. I've been wanting to.
Oh really? Oh, there's a place. This is so pretty. So cute. The place is so freaking pretty. And it's dog friendly because I did see like they had like a little bowl with water and stuff. This place is so cool.
And then if you want to know what scent that is, this is our
Cool.
and our seafood collection. Feel free to.
Oh, cool. Thank you. This smells so good, you guys.
It smells like a coffee shop.
guys, is that you smell the bowl. Is this so good? Oh my god. ¿Qué es el precio? Mint mojito. Definitely check this place out. I feel like we're gonna come here when we move to this area. We're gonna come and buy a few candles. Oh, I cannot wait. I love the aesthetic of this place. It's so pretty. We're gonna try a little fruit bowl. So let's go. Like things for dogs here. That's so cool. Oh, it is.
Remember these little things that we tried that one time?
Yeah, those are the best though. Oh, they have like those things here. Goji berries. That's really cool. So cool. I cannot wait for this bowl. We got the Hawaiian one. It looks delicious, so cannot wait to eat it.
So we do 10 minutes?
Yeah. Alright guys, this is the first time that me and Richard are trying this. So, let's give it a taste. Glad that the wind stopped a little bit, so is it good?
Okay.
Wow. It's cold. Woo! Alright guys, me and Richard are enjoying our smoothie. Smoothie bowl, I guess you can call it. The window sucks. Sucks pretty bad. But we're tucked in a little corner, so we're just gonna enjoy some of this. And then we'll go straight to those apartments. So, see you soon. So we actually just saw the apartment that we're gonna move into. She just showed it to us, and they're just fixing like some little like finishing touches on the apartment and stuff. So I'm super excited, you guys. I cannot wait to move out from the art district. I'm so excited. Not that I hate the art district or anything, it's just we're just tired of living downtown. It's been great living there. We've lived there obviously for 4 years and stuff, so I'm just super excited to move. So next chapter.
Like that big desk.
Damn it,
Yeah, I know.
that sucks.
So there's no big
There's that couch.
piece.
That couch is cute though, like for the 211.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I really want to get living spaces though. What do you think? Ooh. Is it comfy? The couches are not bad.
Not bad at all.
How much are they again?
17.
17 for those couches. 1800. 17.99 people's, but they're comfy. Yeah, that's cute. This is cute right there too. It's not bad.
This one would actually be nice.
Right? Like, because it's nice and round and it's just super cute. Oh. 150. That's actually pretty cool. Are they comfy? Oh, I think they're the same ones, no? See that? That's a nice round table.
This is the one that I poured down.
You like that one?
Yeah, these are comfortable.
It's 250. They're so cool. I love these like plant things.
Like this?
Oh yeah, like the outside. That's not bad to have.
Yeah, no, those are actually good. I've been wanting one of those because
This one's pretty cool. This
would have been
one's
perfect for a 2-in-1.
yes, the 211 because it folds up like a couch. I think it's like that. I feel like just with those beds though, they're so thin
Yeah.
that you feel the bar on your back. Oh, the one in Utah? Oh my
Was it too
god.
thin?
Yes. I felt it in my back, like I felt the bar. This one's good to have. It's $100. Yeah, I feel like you put it in the closet and you just get some of these and you're pretty much good to go.
That's true. I wanted to get this one, but it wasn't. It was always sold out.
I like this, you know why? Because you can put it against the wall flat or you can take it out like that. What do you think? And it comes with 2 chairs and you can have another one for like my dad and stuff.
How do you feel about the color though?
This is okay because it's not dark. You know what I mean?
I think even if you
I don't want that color.
Yeah. This would be good. I'd probably get a better chair than that.
Yeah, the chair looks a little flimsy.
Black chair.
But this here, I like
good enough.
because it can serve as a bench, you know, as like and a table as well. And this one is 190. Yeah, that's really nice.
This would match the apartment a little bit better.
This would match the apartment. This is nice.
That would be good. And then we can pair that with
Table. It's 120. That's too big.
that tall one over there is not bad.
Yeah, that tall one is nice. Wow. That's nice. And then how do you just put it like this?
Pull it back, yeah.
It's not bad.
I
It's
like
for the
those.
bags. Yeah, I like those ones. I like the wood ones. Those are nice. Ooh. This is not bad. And this is only $7. Oh, they're the wood ones. Look.
Those are nice.
So this one is $21. But they look nice. It's kind of cool though. I like that. These are my favorite. I might get one of these. Done. We're ready to go home. We've been up this area for a minute now, so it's time to go. Ooh.
Not actual size. I want that one.
Oh, cool. Look, they got like a whole Christmas section. Look at that. It's like a whole island.
Little boxes.
They are little boxes. A little flimsy. These are
Attention IKEA customers, with the owner of the gray Mazda SUV with North Carolina license plate. Please return to your car and close your trunk.
what?
He's like, return to your car and close your trunk.
Oh.
That's not good. Can't really go wrong with that winter smell.
Ooh. I like this one.
Look at this little thing here.
Oh, that is cute. You put a candle there? Oh, I want one. That is so cute.